Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change an Audi Q7 brake light. First, make sure your car is completely off and cool to the touch. You'll need a few basic tools, like a flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Take a moment to locate the brake light assembly on the rear of your Audi Q7, usually accessible from the trunk area. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the light itself. Open your Audi Q7's trunk to gain access to the back of the tail light assembly. You might need to gently remove some interior trim panels to expose the mounting screws. Once visible, carefully unscrew the retaining fasteners that hold the entire light unit in place. Keep these screws safe, as you'll need them for reassembly. With the fasteners removed, carefully pull the entire light assembly straight out from the vehicle. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips or wiring. Next, locate the specific brake light bulb holder and twist it counterclockwise to release it. Remove the old bulb and firmly insert the new one, ensuring it's seated correctly. Double-check the bulb type to ensure it matches your Audi Q7 specifications. To finish up, carefully push the light assembly back into its position, ensuring all clips align. Reinstall and tighten all the retaining fasteners you removed earlier. Before closing everything up, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working correctly. If it illuminates, you're all set. Check the description for a link to a great book about money and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.